Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Here is the shades. I really like this palette and it's one of my favorites. As you can see, there are dents in quite a few shades. So let's just get into the look. So as I usually start, I'm going to be putting on concealer. And rubbing that in with my finger. The Jaclyn Hill palette doesn't really have a shade I like to use for setting the eyelid, so I'm just going to use a cream shade from another palette. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to put that into the crease. Now I'm going to use this brush and take this shade right here and put that into the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm just going to take this brush right here and blend. I'm also going to take a little bit more of the original shade that we had used, just to lighten it up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here on my finger and put that all over the lid. Next, I'm just going to take this brush and blend a little bit. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the darker brown that we used and put that along the bottom. Next, I'm going to take this highlight shade right here and put that in the inner corner. And the last step is to add mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So here is the finished look. Again, I really enjoy the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I would definitely recommend it to anyone that would like to try it. This is one of my go-to natural everyday looks. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm still working on camera angles and lighting, so bear with me while I figure that out. But if you'd like to see more makeup videos and some nail tutorials, please subscribe and let me know down below what kind of looks you'd like to see from me. And that's it, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!